Aren't they?
Just cleaned up. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. They do kick you because a woman got kicked. Oh, that's a male. Ooh, boy, he just stood. Assateague Island. My son and I arrived here yesterday, May 17th. Today is May 18th, 2021. And as you can see, we set up camp. I just wanted to give you guys a little tour of our campsite. This is our campsite, and we have our Carsule tent set up. We're getting pretty windy, but we have it tied down. And when you come to these sandy spots, you have to use those through-type tent stakes. We found that out because Jeremiah set the shower tent up, and we had the tent stakes coming out of the ground. So what he did is he ingeniously put in some wood. And now we have our shower tent. And that's where the KDD toilet is set up. And thank God that's tied down because you can see it would fly away like a kite if we didn't have it tied down. And then over here, just to give you a quick idea of what we do, this is a changing room as well as a shower or a toilet area. So, look inside here. That's our toilet, KDD toilet. You even have a little window at the top you can open up to look at the stars at night. If you're going to the bathroom, taking a shower. And we have our towels in there. We have some kitty litter that we use. You know, it really is an awesome place. As you can see, we're right close to the ocean. Right over that dune is the ocean. So we have nice breezes. This is the camp hostess right next door. They have a book swap here, free books. And they're really nice people. So it's a very nice campsite. Set up here at Assateague Island, which I think is so cool. They have Miss Faye's Lending Library. You can borrow, leave, or take a book. And as you can see, they have lots of books in here. So that's a cool little feature of Assateague Island State Park. And then here we have aluminum cans that recycle. You can put them all in there. And camp hosts are nice to have because you can ask them for where things are, stuff like that. And we have the best. We have, what are their names? Phyllis and Mike Roscoe.
Yep.
They're real patriots as well. Over here we have a fire ring. So you have firewood, you can have a fire at night. This campsite's vacant. We have our solar panels set up right now for my jackery. I have two 100 amp solar panels, which are charging my jackery, and it's a beautiful sunny day, so we're getting good wattage coming in. And here's our Carsule tent, which attaches to the back of the van. So this is pretty cool. Now we have to be careful here because we do have some cords coming in to the jackery. So here's the jackery. This is a compressor, refrigerator, freezer, as well as we have another 240 jackery over here, which keeps my water pump. And as you can see, all I got to do is switch this on and turn this switch on here. I have a gray tank underneath. I have about 13.5 gallons of water inside the van right now. Well, not right now because I use some, but that'll last us. So that's that. This is a little air conditioner. It's called an Evapolar. I love it. You just put a little water in it, USB powered, and it just cools everything down like an air conditioner. Then up here I have a little iPolar fan, which is low, medium, high. We had this on all night last night, and it literally kept us cool as a cucumber all night long. And I still have 2 dots. In other words, I have enough power for another evening if we don't charge it, but I'm going to charge it up. But we can hang it in our tent. We can put it in our van at night because it clips on really nice. This is our Berkey. I just put the water from the sink in here, and we have fresh filtered water, which is awesome because I don't like to drink water that's not filtered. I'm really weird about that. And I have all my food in here. Now, we do have wild horses on this island, so you have to be careful. I have my food pretty much, well, I might just put it in the van tonight just to be careful, but during the day I have it out here. now you're going to take a look at the bed mode setup, which is called double bed mode. We have double bed mode, which is pretty cool. It has a nice foam padding on this thick foam. It's about, I would say about 6 inches. And this slept wonderful. This is double bed mode. As you can see, we have plenty of room. We have little bedside tables on each side. I have my books here on the side. Jeremiah has his stuff, and then back there he has a 240 Jackery powering up his stuff. And I have my 1000 usually riding right here. And then those curtains, I drop those and shut them at night, so it eliminates the need for reflectix on the back window. We have fairy lights that light up at night, which is really cool. I don't have them on right now, but at nighttime they're very nice to have, just for a little ambiance lighting. And then out in the Carsule, I have solar lights from, oh, I forget the name of them, but they wrap up and they're really cool. It's a lot of storage. I showed you guys my clothing storage bins, which I love. These are my jammies. Basically, it keeps everything clean and wrinkle-free. And these are by Vedex, or Beacon, and they were $24 for a pack of 6. You get a laundry bag. No, this is a shoe bag. A laundry bag, and then you get all these different things. And then, of course, you have still plenty of storage under there. It's when you have a cargo carrier.
And what year is this?
This is a 96.
Yeah.
115,000 miles on Ruby. Where's Ted?
Where'd he go?
Oh, he's inside there.
He's inside!
You can hear he is. That's Teddy. Look at him.
What are you doing?
Teddy's a star. He's a YouTube star.
Oh my
Come here,
god.
Ted.
There he
Come
is.
on out.
What you doing?
Yeah, I'm a YouTube star.
Hi.
He wants to go to the beach. That's what he wants to do. That's his little area. It was shaded, but now the sun's coming in on his side.
Yeah.
But yeah, he's a cool dog, and he enjoys camping. So yeah, guys, this is it. We're getting ready to go to the beach, man. So we can't keep doing videos because there's too much fun to have. But this is our campsite, and I just wanted you guys to see. We were going to go to Virginia. We had a bit of a problem when the gas thing happened. We ran out of gas in
Hackers,
Virginia.
man.
Hackers came in.
Hack that pipeline.
Hacked the pipeline. So anyway, we ended up coming here. We're only staying for 3 nights because Jeremiah just has off a week and he wants to do other stuff. So yeah, we're coming, going to do another trip together in September. Where are we going in September?
I think we should go north somewhere.
We're going to go probably to Racetown Lake in
Yeah.
Pennsylvania, which is a beautiful lake up north, Juniata County, Pennsylvania. So our plan is to go there, but I just wanted you guys to experience Ruby in double bed mode, full setup with the Carsule.
Tell them how long it took us to set this up this time.
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
20 minutes to set this tent up. Yeah, I strongly recommend that. But anyway, I hope you like our setup, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, like my video, subscribe my video, and tune in for more. God bless you.
Peace.
Have a blessed day. Peace out.
Bye, Bob. Bye, Juice. Bye, Joshua. Bye, Terry. Bye, Alice.
There's another one.
Bye, Milton.